Hello beautiful people, welcome back to our gorgeous channel. So today I am going to share it to all of you guys how I achieved this look. This is a trend in 2024. Research it says that 2024 is a year of change, but it will go back to its thin brows, blushy cheek, and iridescent eye. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video. Get inspired to make yourself beautiful. Let's get started. So wherever you go, you can never go wrong for this look. So let's go ahead and try it. Since it's like a matte look, we're gonna go ahead and use the Makeup Forever High Definition Skin Liquid Foundation. The shade for this one is 2N22. Now also gonna use my damp beauty sponge to apply it. I already moisturized my face using hyaluronic acid from The Ordinary. And then for my powder foundation, I am going to be using the SheGlam Velvet BL Oil Control Powder. The shade for this one is Sand. Just going to apply it on top of my powder foundation. And then for my concealer, I am going to be using this L'Oreal True Match Radiant Serum Concealer with 1.5% hyaluronic acid and caffeine. And the shade for this one is W6 Medium. Then to set it, I am going to be using this Laura Mercier Loose Setting Powder. The shade for this one is Tender Rose. So I'm going to leave it there for a while. We're going to buff it off later on, so don't worry. And then for my eyebrow, I am going to be using this Maybelline Hyper Easy Dark Brown. Actually, this is an eyeliner, so I'm going to use this one for my eyebrow. Then for my eyeshadow, I am going to be using this concealer to use as my primer. And I'm going to use a loose powder, just whatever's left in my beauty puff. Then for my eyeshadow, I am going to be using this Fenty Beauty eyeshadow palette. This is a Killawatt Foil eyeshadow palette. And then I'm going to use this one. The shade is Scandal Eyes, since it's an iridescent eyeshadow. So yeah, I hope I'm able to justify this one, but let's see. So I start with this shade, a dark brown color, which is the Honey Slope. So I'm just gonna apply it just tiny because this is super pigmented. Just gonna apply it on my crease. I'm gonna drag my eyeshadow using the same brush to create a nose line. Since it already has like a brown color, so it's perfect to just use it to contour the nose. And add a little bit on there. That's perfect. Then I'll go now with the Scandal Eyes, this one. It's like an iridescent blue color. Beautiful, huh? Then I go back to this really dark brown color just on the outer corner. mentioned. And then I'm gonna use this Maybelline Color Tattoo eyeshadow sticks just on the waterline. Then for my liquid eyeliner, I'm gonna be using this Lobella liquid eyeliner. The shade for this one is black. Then for my bronzer, I am going to be using the cream bronzer. The shade for this one is Drop 2 Convertible. And then I go back with my Laura Mercier loose setting powder just to carve my jawline. And I honestly forgot to put a contour on my forehead. I am using the same bronzer that I use to contour my nose, my jawline, and my cheekbone. For my blush on, I'm going to be using this MAC Stranger Things blush on. The shade for this one is Friends Don't Lie. Then I'm going to go ahead and buff the powder under my eyes. I'm not going to use highlighter right now. I will just going to use this Rare Beauty Soft Pinch blush on. The shade for this one is Truth. I love this blush on. It already has like a highlighter, so it's perfect. We're just going to go ahead and apply it on top. And then we're gonna go ahead and use the Revolution Super Fix Super Hold Misting Spray. This is Ultra Matte Finish with Aloe and Vitamin E. Time for my falsies. Then for my lipstick, I am gonna be using this lip liner from Laura Mercier. The shade for this one is True Red, and then I got this L'Oreal matte lipstick. The shade for this one is, I can't see, oh my god, I'm getting old. Anyway, it says 420, caption is there. Oh no! Upper part, I just follow my Cupid's bow. So here's the final look, beautiful people. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you like this trend look in 2024. So yeah, it's not bad. It's super easy. And thank you all for watching. I will see you all next time.